This is the most crucial concept to know when it comes to trading, and you will not become profitable if you do not focus on this. Today, I'll be talking about risk to reward. Let's start it up. Now, before even getting on the charts, risk to reward is a concept that can be used anywhere in life. It is how much risk you are putting on the table and how much reward you are expected to get out of that. Ideally, you'd want your reward to outweigh your risk.
But risk to reward can't be used anywhere in life.
Yes, it can. You just don't know how to do it like me. For example, hitting up a girl in the DMs. What's the risk? She laughs at your DM and doesn't reply. That's the risk. What's the reward? Happiness. That's some solid risk to reward right there if you ask me, alright? Always live your life according to risk to reward. Alright, now let's get back to the charts. Ideally, you only want to be risking 1% of your port per trade or even less. This doesn't go out to small accounts because to effectively grow those accounts, you need to be putting on more risk. Alright, now let's say you have a 100K account for math purposes. Your risk per trade should be no greater than $1,000. Period. This should be your max risk. Now let's say this is your risk. What should be your reward? That is entirely up to you and your trading strategy. So let's do some maths. If you're risking $1,000 per trade and let's say you have a TP of 3R, alright? So this is your risk. Ideally, you'd want your reward to be 3 times your risk, okay? So out of 10 trades, let's say you lose 6 of them and win 4 of them, alright? You have a win rate of 40% right now. You might think that's trash, but this person with the 40% win rate can be more profitable than someone with a 90% win rate. I'm not even joking with this. You don't believe me? I'll show you right now. You lose 6 trades, multiply that by your risk, that's $6,000. You win 4 trades, multiply that by 3R times your risk, which is 3,000 times 4, which is $12,000. All right, so you won from 4 trades, you won $12,000, and with 6 losses, you lost $6,000. Total, how much are you up? Quick maths, 12K minus 6K, y'all know that, that's 6K, all right? With just 4 wins, you are now in profit $6,000 after 10 trades with a 40% win rate. Are you happy with that? Cause I know I am, alright? I'll take 6 racks any day of the week, you feel me? Now let's talk about the dude with a 90% win rate, alright? Out of 10 trades, he only loses 1. 10W, 1L. Now you might be thinking, oh my god, that's amazing. How do we trade like him? I need to learn from him right now. Hey, yo, what's his YouTube? Let me buy his course that he's selling real quick. In reality, this person with the 90% win rate takes profit at 0.5R per trade. Okay, now you might still be thinking that this dude with a 90% win rate is making more money than the other dude with a 40% win rate. So you know what? Let's do some quick maths real quick. So let's say his risk is $1,000 per trade. 0.5R, his profit per trade is $500, okay? So each win he takes is a $500 win and each loss he takes is a $1,000 loss, all right? So let's do the maths with a 90% win rate, all right? 9 times 500, that's 4,500, all right? So this is how much profit he got from 9 trades, and then from that one loser, he lost $1,000 minus 1K, which is 3,500 with a 90% win rate. How much did the other dude make? That fool made 6 racks off a 40% win rate. Don't let high win rates deceive you. Now, who's the better trader right now? The guy with the $3,500 profit or the guy with the $6,000 profit? Now, don't be thinking, man, I'm just trying to make some profit and start trading like the guy with the 90% win rate, even though he's making $3,500. Don't be trying to trade like him. Try to trade like the guy with the 40% win rate, which makes way more money. Trust me, trading will become 10 times easier once you focus on risk to reward. All right, here's a chart of the win rate you need to break even dependent on your risk to reward ratio. Now you want to be aiming higher than these win rate projections because this is what you need to break even. And if you're breaking even year over year with trading, dog, this is not even a business or job for you. This is a whole hobby. Now with a risk to reward ratio of 2 to 1, you only need to be right 33% of the time to break even. So let's say you're right 40% of the time with a risk to reward ratio of 2 to 1. Congratulations, you are now profitable and are doing better than 90% of retail traders out there. Now let's say you have a risk to reward ratio of 4 to 1. You only need a 20% win rate to break even. Now, this is not taking into account a profitable trading strategy where your win rate is significantly higher than this 20%. So let's say you do have a profitable trading strategy, which is right 60% of the time, which is not hard to get at all. Your risk to reward ratio is fixed at 4 to 1. Let's do some quick maths right here, all right? All your trades, you either take a loss for 1R or a win for 4R. How much money can you make? Now, this is where it starts to get insane. On a 100K account, let's say, risking 1% per trade with a 60% win rate, 4 to 1 risk to reward, all right? Risking $1,000 per trade, okay? Your reward is $4,000 per trade, all right? So this is a W and this is 1 L. Okay, so you have 6 W's and 4 L's. 4 times 1, that's 4 Rackies. 6 times 4, that's 24 Rackies. 24 minus 4, that's 20 racks. With a profitable trading strategy with a fixed risk to reward ratio of 4 to 1 and a 60% win rate. Now, was this 20K hard at all to obtain? Not at all. You just risked a proper amount, which is 1% of your port, and you had a profitable trading strategy with the 60% win rate, which is not hard to achieve at all, and you took profit at a fixed 4 to 1 risk to reward. With these 3 rules, you made 20K after 10 trades. That wasn't hard at all. Now, you know what? Just so I can really show you the power of risk to reward, let's flip a coin, okay? Your reward is 3R. Your risk is 1R, okay? Let's flip a coin 10 times and see how many times it wins and how many times it loses out of 10, okay? This is completely random. I guarantee you this is gonna be profitable, okay? Heads is a winner, tails is a loser, okay?
1. So 1 winner. 2 winners. 1 loser. 2 losers. 3 winners. So 3 winners, 2 losers. 3, 3. 3, 4, okay. 3, 5. 4, 5, last one. 4, 6.
That literally a 40% win rate, okay? Let's do the math right now, all right? Now, we won 4 times and lost 6 times, all right? Y'all saw that, okay? With the 4 to 1 risk reward ratio, we risk $1,000 per trade. So our risk times 4 is $4,000 per winner. 4 times 4 is 16 racks. 6 times 1, that's 6 grand for the losers. Minus each other out, total profit, that's $10,000 by flipping a coin. Now, if you didn't think the risk to reward was that important before watching this video, I guarantee you think it's important now. You might be looking for the holy grail when it comes to trading and becoming profitable. This is it. Risk to reward is the holy grail when it comes to trading and becoming profitable. In every single trade that I take, I focus on risk to reward, and I will not take a trade if risk to reward is not favored in my direction. This is why risk to reward is the most important concept when it comes to trading. If you do not master risk to reward and become the best risk manager that you can be using this tool, it will be very hard for you to become profitable in the long run. This right here is a literal cheat code that profitable traders use. And if you don't know anything about this and you're not profitable, I mean, I guess we know why now, alright? And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. Leave a like if you learned something new and are now going to be using the risk to reward tool more frequently with your trading. Comment down below any questions that you have about this topic. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Subscribe if you're new to the channel and enjoy the content, and I'll catch y'all next time.